Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about one of the important folders that we have created for this particular course, which is resources. So resources folder will be very useful for saving a lot of important information like motivational quotes or PDFs or links to some websites or articles or whatever it is. You can also save your important details that how you are practicing your micro habits in daily life. Now I am going to show how we can save details under resources. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on resources and I'm going to create a new folder called, let's say, February 2025. Hit enter. So the resources that you want to save for the month of February 2025 can be saved in this particular folder. So let me show some nice examples for you. So you want to mention habit formation tips for Feb 2025. So I'm going to copy these details. I'm going to copy these details. I'm going to create a new note. Habit formation for February 2025. I'm going to paste it here. So, habit formation tips. The purpose is provide actionable strategies to help you build and maintain micro habits effectively. Example note, habit formation tips. So what are the key strategies for forming your habits? Start small. Focus on micro habits like 1 minute mindful breathing to build momentum. Habit stacking. Pair new habits with existing ones. Example, do gratitude practice right after your morning coffee. Track progress. Use the daily habit tracker to stay accountable. Environment design. Keep a water bottle nearby to support the drink water reminder habit. So if you want to link it to a different note, you can also use linking or bidirectional linking to link it to the notes in different folders. So if you click on gratitude practice, it will take you directly to gratitude practice. Okay, so related notes. So if you want to link it to the challenges that you have faced, you can link it. So if you click on it, it will take you directly to challenges faced. If you want to link it to progress journal, it will take you directly to progress journal. If you want to link it to morning routine checklist, you can link it to morning routine checklist. So you can jump from one node to another node easily. Okay, so this is habit formation for February 2025. Now, let's try to add some more details. Motivational quotes. Motivational quotes. I am going to copy these things. Go back to Obsidian. I am going to create a new node called motivational quotes. And I am going to paste it here. If you see now, the purpose is inspire you to stay consistent with quotes linked to relevant habits. Example note, motivational quotes library. Success is the product of daily habits, not once in a lifetime transformations by James Clear, author of Atomic Habits. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit. Aristotle. For drink water reminder, small daily improvements are the key staggering long-term results by Robin Sharma. Feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor. Thich Nhat Hanh. So these are all very important and beautiful quotes said by many interesting writers or authors. So in order for you to stay motivated in your daily life, you can copy these motivational quotes, whatever you like. It need not be from James Clear or Aristotle. Maybe you like some quote from a movie or some documentary or whatever it is. You can copy to motivational quotes, so that when you look at the motivational quotes in the morning, you feel more motivated and you feel like following this practice on day-to-day basis. Now let's go to the next one. Books and articles on micro habits. Books and articles on micro habits. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to create a new note and I'm going to say books and articles. I'm going to paste it here. So the purpose is curated reading list to deepen your understanding of habit formation. So these are all the important books and articles on micro habits. Atomic Habits by James Clear. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. And these are all the important articles. The Art of Building Micro Habits. So if you want to mention the website or the link, you can also simply paste that link here. Copy it from that internet or the website and paste the link here, and once you click on that link, it will take you directly to that particular blog or link. And if you want to connect it to some notes inside Obsidian, you can use linking feature to connect to habit formation tips or challenges faced or progress journal. So you can jump from one note to another note to work on these things. So we have mentioned about motivational quotes, we have done habit formation, we have also created books and articles note. Let's look for the last one, which is bonus video links. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to create a new note. I'm going to say links and videos and I'm going to paste it here. So here you can mention all the links of the websites or the videos that you like the most, and you can navigate to those details or the videos from this particular note. So let's say, for example, purpose: supplement the course with engaging multimedia content. Example note: bonus content vault. And these are the courses that you like. The video is 5-minute habit hacks, and if you want to link to that video, you can paste the link here. You can paste the YouTube link or you can paste some website link of that video, and it will take you directly to that link when you click on it. Infographic: 21 micro habits to transform your life. So if you want to watch some infographic from some website, you can also mention the link here, and if you click on it, it is going to download that particular information. Habit specific videos for mindfulness practice: 1 minute meditation guide. Maybe you like some 30 minutes or 1 hour video that you watch on YouTube every day, and if you want that information in Obsidian, you can simply paste that YouTube link here. For productivity habits: master the Pomodoro technique in 5 minutes, link to tutorial. Maybe you like some video from some website or course or whatever it is, you can link that tutorial here, and it will take you directly to that particular video. Quick links: habit tracker template, daily routine checklist. So if you want to link it to a different note in Obsidian, you can also use bidirectional linking or linking to connect to that particular notes for tracking your daily habits. So resources is also very important folder in Obsidian for this particular course, and please make sure that you copy all the important books or the articles or the links or the videos or the motivational quotes which are going to help you to do your daily micro habits. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.